Tired of lingering dog odors that just won't quit? Arm Hammer's Dog Odor Control Spray with baking soda offers a simple, natural way to keep your pup smelling fresh. Designed specifically for dogs, this spray neutralizes odors instead of just masking them, so you get real results every time. What makes this spray stand out is its trusted baking soda formula. Arm Hammer has been a household name for over 100 years when it comes to gentle, effective deodorizing. Now, that same power is packed into an easy-to-use spray that targets pet smells right on your dog's coat. The scent is a soft blend of blueberry and coconut, light enough to avoid overpowering your dog's natural smell. Many pet owners appreciate this subtle freshness, noting it leaves just a gentle hint of fragrance that feels clean and pleasant without being too strong. Beyond just deodorizing, this spray also moisturizes. It combines baking soda with natural extracts that help condition your dog's coat between baths. The result? A coat that feels soft, looks clean, and is easier to manage, perfect for busy pet parents who want to keep their dog comfortable and fresh every day. Another important benefit is the pH-balanced formula. Dogs have a different skin pH than humans, so using human sprays can actually harm their skin barrier. This product is specifically designed to protect your dog's skin moisture, making it safe for regular use, even on puppies and sensitive skin. Plus, it's free from harsh ingredients like sodium lauryl sulfate, dyes, and parabens. That means you're using a cleaner, gentler spray that won't irritate your dog's skin. It's an ideal solution if you want effective odor control without exposing your pet to unnecessary chemicals. If you're looking for a reliable way to freshen your dog between baths, this spray is worth a look. It offers what you want: natural odor neutralization, skin-friendly care, and a light, pleasant scent that doesn't overwhelm. A little spritz goes a long way toward keeping your furry friend feeling and smelling great. Ready to try a simple, safe, and effective dog deodorizer? Arm Hammer's Baking Soda Dog Spray delivers fresh results with the care your pet deserves. If that's you, give it a shot and see how easy it is to maintain a clean, fresh coat, without the fuss.